You've probably seen those viral POV videos on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. They're incredibly immersive, engaging, and best of all, easy to create. The best part? You don't need to be an expert because AI can do all the heavy lifting for you. In today's video, I'll guide you through the entire process of making these stunning POV videos from start to finish. By the end, you'll be able to create your own viral content and rack up millions of views without any prior experience. Let's dive in. In this video, we'll explore how to create a stunning POV experience of spending a day as a student in the magical world of Harry Potter. First, we'll ask ChatGPT, give me a POV scenario where I am in the Harry Potter world. This will generate immersive scene descriptions filled with enchanting details. Next, we'll refine our visuals by requesting, give me a prompt to create an ultra-realistic, real-life POV-style image of each scene. With these AI-generated prompts, we can create breathtaking, lifelike images that capture the essence of the wizarding world. But we won't stop there. To bring the magic to life, we'll ask ChatGPT to generate animation prompts for each scene. Using these, we can craft stunning animated sequences that feel truly cinematic, turning our vision into a masterpiece. Let's dive in and make magic happen. With Leonardo AI, creating hyper-realistic images for a POV-style video has never been easier. By fine-tuning specific parameters, just like in my previous videos, we can achieve stunning, lifelike visuals that fully immerse viewers in the magical world. Once we have our carefully crafted prompts, generating breathtaking images becomes effortless. Just hit the Generate button, and Leonardo AI will bring our vision to life. To ensure the best results for a POV-style video, here are some key techniques to keep in mind. Image size matters. If you're creating short-form content, always set the image aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical videos. This ensures that your visuals are optimized for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. First-person perspective. Every prompt must start with the phrase first-person perspective to help the AI accurately interpret the POV style. This simple addition significantly improves the realism and immersion of each scene. Enhancing the POV effect to make the experience feel even more natural, consider adding the character's hands in the frame. This small detail dramatically enhances the illusion of looking through the protagonist's eyes, making the scene feel more personal and immersive. By following these principles, you can create jaw-dropping POV animations that look as if they were captured straight from a real-life adventure. Next, we'll use Kling AI, an incredible tool for transforming static images into mesmerizing animations. This application allows us to breathe life into our Leonardo AI-generated images, turning them into stunning, dynamic visuals that feel like they're straight out of the Harry Potter universe. First, import your AI-generated images. Take the breathtaking images you've created in Leonardo AI and upload them into Kling AI's image-to-video feature. Second, use your AI-generated prompts. Simply copy and paste the carefully crafted prompts from ChatGPT into Kling AI. These prompts will guide the animation process, ensuring that each frame aligns with the original artistic vision. Third, adjust settings for optimal results. Kling AI provides customizable options to fine-tune the animation style, motion speed, and transitions. Experiment with these settings to achieve the perfect cinematic feel. Fourth, generate your magic. Once everything is set, hit Generate and watch as Kling AI transforms your still images into spellbinding motion scenes. With just 30 credits, you can produce an entire collection of beautifully animated clips capturing the enchanting essence of the wizarding world. From floating candles in the Great Hall to casting spells in a misty forest, Kling AI helps turn AI art into living, breathing masterpieces. Let's create magic, one frame at a time. Final step, editing and bringing everything together in CapCut. Now that we've created our stunning POV model animations, it's time to assemble everything into a seamless, immersive video using CapCut. This is where all the magic comes together, where we refine the pacing, enhance the visuals, and create a final product that captivates the audience. 1. Import and organize your footage. Start by dragging and dropping all the AI-generated clips into CapCut's timeline in the correct sequence. The order should match the original concept, ensuring a smooth and logical progression of events. If necessary, rearrange clips so that the storytelling flows naturally. 2. Fine-tune the timing. Trim and adjust. Some clips may be too long or too short, so use the cutting tool to trim excess footage and ensure each scene lasts just the right amount of time. Match the pacing to the script. If you're adding voiceover or subtitles, make sure the visuals sync perfectly with the dialogue or narration. 3. Add transitions and effects for a cinematic feel. Smooth transitions. For a more polished and engaging video, use subtle transitions between clips. Avoid overusing flashy effects. Stick to fade-ins, dissolves, or cinematic cuts that enhance immersion. Magical enhancements. Since this is a Harry Potter-themed video, consider adding particle effects, glowing light flares, or soft vignettes to make the scenes feel more enchanted. 4. Sound design. Bring the world to life. Background music. Choose a mysterious, enchanting soundtrack to enhance the atmosphere. A soft orchestral piece, magical chimes, or subtle ambient sounds can instantly elevate the mood. Sound effects. Adding well-timed sound effects can make a huge difference in realism. Here are some essential ones to consider. Whooshing sounds when casting spells. Pages flipping if you include a book scene. Footsteps on stone floors for the Hogwarts hallways. Fire crackling if there's a scene by a magical fireplace. 5. Voiceover. Enhancing the storytelling. If your video includes narration or character dialogue, you have two great AI-powered options. Playtee, an AI voice generator that offers realistic, expressive narration with a variety of voices. 11 Labs, one of the best AI tools for generating lifelike human voices with natural intonation and emotion. Simply input your script, adjust the voice settings, and generate high-quality audio files to overlay onto your video. 6. Create a captivating title overlay. To make the video instantly recognizable as a POV-style experience, add a text overlay at the beginning. Create a black bar overlay at the top or bottom of the screen. Reduce its opacity slightly for a cinematic effect. Add bold white text like POV, your first day at Hogwarts, or POV, discovering the hidden secrets of the wizarding world. Use an elegant, fantasy-style font to match the theme. 7. Set up and export from Optimize for YouTube. Once everything is in place, export the final video in the correct settings. Resolution 180p or 4K for the best quality. Frame rate 24 to 30 FPS for a smooth cinematic feel. Aspect ratio 16:9 for standard YouTube videos. 9:16 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. 8. Upload and enjoy your masterpiece. Finally, upload your video to YouTube with an engaging title, a compelling thumbnail, and well-optimized tags. Share it across platforms and watch as viewers get immersed in your AI-powered magical world. This process is simple yet incredibly powerful, allowing anyone to create stunning movie-quality POV videos with just AI tools and a bit of creative editing. Now, sit back, enjoy your creation, and get ready for your next AI-powered adventure. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps and free AI tools, you can create professional and creative videos without spending too much time or effort. The key is your creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ideas and turn them into unique content. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips. And if you try making a video yourself, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.